Make sure I got no boogers hanging or anything. But welcome back to another episode of Fishing with DYangBass. Today I have a very special guest, the giveaway winner. Yes, there's Yang back there. He's from Stevens Point, right?
Yep.
Stevens Point. He came a long way to fish for some bass. So we're gonna have a good time. I got no game plan. I mean, last time I was here was like June, mid-June, so it's been about like 2-3 weeks. We should be able to figure something out. It's a little windier than normal, but that's a good thing too, right? In shallow water. So I don't have much to say besides I'm happy to have him here.
Yeah.
He'll be up here soon. It's
a pleasure.
My life has been miserable here, just trying to set up. Yeah, sun's already up, you guys can see, and we're just gonna have a good time and catch some bass, learn some new things. Stick around. There's the guy right there. Yep. I'll see you guys. We're already on the water, so yeah. John? Yay! Yeah! Yeah! Oh shit! Hold on, bro! Hold on, keep going, keep going. That's a big guy. What is it? Yeah, dude, let's go! Oh jeez! Good bass, bro. There you go. Yeah. You wanna weigh it?
Sure, we can weigh it.
Weigh it? Why not? Oh my gosh.
Yeah, guys.
That's a good bass. Heck yeah.
It's like a good 2-pounder.
Yep, 2.6, dude.
2.6.
Yeah, it's actually pretty big.
Yeah.
Big fish, 2.6.
You just need more of a belly. That's all.
Good picture. Good fish, bro.
Yep, skunk on the boat. What's your favorite bait, bro?
For largemouth, I gotta say flipping or jigging. Yeah, one of those. Yeah, I love jigging. I love flipping bowler weights for creatures and stuff. Yeah, I'm very like tactical with what I'm doing when I flip and jig and stuff. So that's just me. Like, I like doing that. I throw top on other stuff for fun too. But you got another one? My guy, bro, chill. That's a big one, dude. Oh, what happened? Where'd he go? There you go. My net bent on me, bro.
Oh, you're good.
That's another good bass.
Yeah.
There you go. Dude, look, my net broke.
Oh, shit.
It finally broke after 5 years, man.
Hey.
Dude, good fish.
Now you ate it.
Oh, inhaled, bro. Inhaled. It's a jig bite. Man, my dude over here slaying it.
Yeah.
With the black and blue.
Yep. I just found the
Good stuff, dude. Yeah.
Yeah. As soon as it jumped up, I was like, oh yeah, it's gone.
Yep. Whoa, dude, what the? Scared me, bro. What happened? Oh, man. Whoa, right in front of us. So close, dude. You hooked him. Yeah, I saw you put weight on him. That was a big one, too.
Yeah,
that was a big blow up, yeah.
I was slightly looking right a little bit.
Yeah, we were just dozing and talking. But, you know, that's how it works, right? You just gotta talk it out and they'll bite it. Yeah, you dang bass, man. Freaking piss you off throughout the day.
Yeah. They
They will do that to you. Yep, got him. Hey, he's in some salad bar. Yeah, get him, bro. There we go. Yeah, we got some salad bar with us.
Yep.
All right, go ahead, dude. Go ahead and fish. Hey, I'll keep him over here. I don't think this is the guy who blew up on you. He's thick, though.
Oh, yeah.
Look at our net, guys. This is what we're working with. Yep, I think our net is done for today.
You gotta lift the fish now?
Yep, just gotta swing him in. Ah, you smell like bluegill. You're definitely feeding on bayfish.
Yeah.
See ya, buddy.
I was looking on top of the vegetation and you can see like small little movements. It's like targeting a little red. When I go back, I go back to my lake. There's a lot of vegetation too.
Got him. I got him. They got him. Yes. Yeah. Oh, that's a big pounder right there. Woo! You ain't getting away today, boy. Look at that chunker. Yeah. My guy. All right, we'll get a picture of this guy, guys. Here we go. Catch and release. So let me talk to you guys real quick of what we're doing here, just so I sound smart. You guys see these like orange red patches of grass right here that were trimmed off by the weed cutter? They created this little shelter for the bass. We got a few topwater blow up. We got a few jig bite. Now I'm flipping a 3/8 ounce beaver tail. And yeah, like I don't really need a heavy one because they're not thick, but they are like, it's enough to create a little cover, a rooftop for the fish. So I caught those two. And my boy Ying over there has been getting topwater bites, jig bites. So it's good. It's gonna be a good day, guys. We're gonna keep doing this as long as we can. So yep. I just flipped it in there, bro. You're good, you're good.
Sure?
Yep, I'll just flip them in there.
That's a big one, dude. That's like...
Oh, yeah, that's a nice
one.
one.
4, dude.
Yeah, 3, yeah, 3, yeah. You just look big in the weeds.
I thought the weeds were part of the tail.
Yeah, yeah. Jeez. Holy smoke, look at this.
That one came out of the...
No, actually just out of nowhere. I flipped in this empty spot and he came out of nowhere, dude. We're catching bass, but this is what we're dealing with. Salad. Nice fish. Oreos went. Oh, you got him? Yeah. Get him out, get him out, get him out. Harder, harder. Get him out, bro. There he is. Big one?
That was big.
Yeah, right. Come up here, come up here, come up here. So I can help you. Yeah, keep him up. Oh yeah, oh it's a no, it's a bass, dude. Big bass, yeah. There we go. Big 3-pounder right there, bro.
Oh, has shoulders.
That's a 3.
He slurped it.
Yep. Barely, huh? Like,
yep. You can barely see the
jeez.
blow up.
We were just saying, go ahead, show it to the camera.
Yep.
Look at that chunk girl. Holy cow, that's a thick girl, dude. Thick girl.
He was probably pushing through.
Yep. Oh, it's 3 for sure, bro. We'll wait, but let me get a picture of you real quick. Here, just do it real quick. There we go. 3-4. Yeah,
3-4?
no, I'm gonna say, no, dude, 3-9.
3-9?
Woo, my boy caught a 3-9, bro. Let's go, yeah. Nice, dude. Heck yeah. All right, catch and release.
All right.
Boy got a tank.
Here she goes.
She good, yep. Good stuff, dude.
Thanks.
What? You dropped it? Nah, dude. What was that? You ran out with it. No, man, I don't know, bro. I'm not gonna say that was a fish. I think he ran out with it. He came towards me. I don't know if it was just riding on a carp or something, you know?
Yeah.
But it got him.
There you go.
There you go. Stop, Chip. Oh, shit. Relax.
I'd be scared when the fish do that to your clothes.
Yep. I love you. I'm not crazy, bro. My line came towards me. Like, what? You got one? Yeah. What did I just say? Oh, it's a nice one, bro. I'm sorry. What do you want me to do? What do you want me to do? Come up here. Come up here. That's a big one, dude. That's a big one. Right. That's a big one. Oh, no. Right. Come on, stop. It's a 4-pounder. Stop. I got you. Yes, dude. Yes, bro.
Oh, shit.
Dude, that's a big one, bro.
Look at that.
Yeah. I'm like tripping all over the place. Hell yeah, dude. Oh my gosh, that's huge.
Yeah. I didn't expect it to do it. It was like a small tap.
Really? Bro,
Like
still trying to fix my
gentle
bird
tap.
nest. Oh my gosh, dude. You need help? Four for sure. Yeah, four for sure. 314. Yeah,
314.
so it's close to 4 pounds.
Yeah.
Lock. Yep. 14.
14.
Yep.
3 pounds, 14 ounces on the black and blue jig.
Jeez.
Yep.
All right, catch and release. It's a long fish too.
Oh.
Beautiful fish, bro. Give me some. Give me some, bro. That's awesome, dude. Boy's putting in the big work. As I said, man, this lake here is so freaking weird. Like, the big bass are all against the wall. It's so weird. See what I mean? Along the freaking wall, dude. Oh, get in here. That's the thing.
Oh, that's a big one.
Okay, check. There we go. I get off. Jeez. Good bass. 3-pounder going back. Yep.
I just hear you talking about they're super close to shore, and next thing you know, you just hook set. A lot of vegetation.
What's up?
I said there's a lot of vegetation.
Yeah, a lot of standing vegetation still.
Yeah. You find holes here and there. Maybe that's where.
Get out here, boy! I got you.
Sure?
Yep.
Alright.
3-pounder, high 3. I knew you were in there. This how you swing it, bro. Watch out. You bring it back out. Yeah, look at that thick bass.
Too scary.
Woo! I knew you were here, man. Look at that, guys. Y'all saw that on camera. These fish are so thick, dude. High 2s for sure, almost 3. Look at that. Black and blue jig. Putting in work. He said the mouth. Got him! I got one, yep. I got one. Oh my gosh. Sure, hold on. All yours, bro. Yeah, you good. Yeah, dude, let's go.
He has crazy black marks on him, dude. Look at the black marks.
Dude, let me pull off real quick.
Bro, he didn't catch nothing until we caught.
Look at that. Look at the mark on this thing.
We worked on it.
Good bass. Good timing. Vang and Danny calling. You got one too? Oh, jeez. Hold on, bro. Vegan? You get one? Yeah.
Found it.
Yep. Chill. Nice, dude. Heck yeah. Look how thick they are, dude.
Yeah.
Bro, all these bass are so thick, bro.
Yeah, we wouldn't know. I shot wood.
Good bass, bro.
Yep.
Give me some credit
Yeah, I
here.
just lost count of the fish we caught.
Records show up. Oh, shoot. You missed it?
Yeah.
Oh, go.
That's what I thought. Don't.
Oh no, I missed one too. Shoot, yeah, I missed one. I wasn't ready. No. Oh, I missed them. I was still watching you, bro. Oh, are you serious?
Missed it?
Yeah, I didn't hook him though.
Yeah,
No way, dude. He ran towards me again. Got him.
Oh, that's that time.
Well,
There you go.
he ran towards me. Oh, look at the color on him.
Yeah. And these fish have like black spots on them.
Look at that. Whoa, dude. That's a nice color.
Yeah.
So you remove it right here. Yep. Look at the color on that thing. That's so cool. Ah, you smell good. Nice fish.
Oh, there you go. Again?
Nope. Just a fighter. Haha. Just still good fish.
Yeah. Let's see.
Look how thick it is. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Look how thick this bass is.
Big shoulders.
Jeez. So much fun, guys. Good fish. Going back. Bacon.
Yeah.
That's a big one, bro.
Oh, yeah.
Stay off.
You got him? Yeah.
That's a big one. You want to grab it, I guess? I guess you can grab it. Yes, dude. That's a nice one. Whew. Thanks. Woo! Worked so hard for it. Oh my gosh.
The last hour too.
Alright guys, so sorry it's a little windy, but Yang, what you think of it, man?
I think it was a great day, awesome day.
It's pretty cool.
Yeah, it kind of started off a little bit slow, right? But I got those 2 fish, and then we kind of figured out a pattern, and then went to go fish those docks. Just shallow, straight shallow with rocks.
Yep.
And with the vegetation too.
Just flipping black and blue, black and purple. Lights out.
Yep.
It was cool, man. It was nice.
Yeah.
Well, I hope you had a good time.
Yep. Thanks for the opportunity to fish,
Yeah, for
and
sure,
for the
dude.
giveaway, man.
He hung in there, fished the whole day, and it was fun. So,
Yeah.
with that being said, subscribe, like, and comment. You guys know the drill. And I'll see you guys next time. Sorry it's a little windy, so bear with it. I'll see you guys then.